My name is Edward Silverman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee arthritis. The procedures that I perform are hip and knee replacements. I work mostly here at HCA Florida Mercy Hospital. For each patient that I meet, I do a detailed examination and I do my best to personalize the care to their specific problem because not every patient can benefit from the same treatments. I also work with minimally invasive surgical approaches, and we're very excited to have the best possible technology to do joint replacement surgery, which is the orthopedic robot. It's clear that patients trust and respect our care, both my care and the care of our staff here at the office, because they put their lives in our hands, and they do that out of faith and out of trust, and we do our best to reward that with the best possible care we can provide. My favorite thing about being a doctor is getting to see our post-operative patients come in 2 weeks or 4 weeks or 6 weeks after surgery. And when they share their gratitude with me that their pain has resolved, that's what really keeps me going.